When I was 17, I began my university studies. I soon found out that the so-called scientific objections against religion arise from a profound misconception. Science is a valuable tool that unravels the laws of nature. The truly human values, however, fall outside the scope of science. Science cannot judge what is good or evil. It cannot decide on meaning or purpose. Left to itself, science lacks joy, mystery, fulfillment. Science can produce nuclear power. It cannot decide when and how and on what conditions it should be used. Only human beings can take such decisions with the help of religious values. Even scientists take moral decisions as human beings who have a conscience. Another truth that dawned on me the more I studied nature is that we have so much in common with other beings. The life we have in us, we share with plants, animals, and all other living creatures. All the energy of life, in turn, comes from the sun. This means that we carry in ourselves the life of the earth and the energy of the sun. The heavier elements we carry in us, like iron, magnesium, and iodine, derive from a supernova explosion that preceded our solar system. And our galaxy, like all other galaxies in the universe, come from a large, incredible explosion of energy. My search has led me to accept some strong convictions. One is that my own self is part of a far wider reality. In fact, I carry in me traces of the whole universe. I am part of whatever lies at its origin. Through religion, I touch the deepest roots of my own self and my own identity. In all religions of the world, we find traits that are entirely human. Some traits spring from fear, superstition, fanaticism. Such elements are not from God. They are just plain human. This also applies to Christianity. Much of it is of human origin, like our speaking of God the Father as if he were male, or the vestments which the priest wears, or the way we perform our religious rites. Religion has to be human, because we are human. On the other hand, the recognition of mystery and of divine presence is valid in our human experience. People who neglect religion miss a key element in their experience of the world. In order to be true to ourself, we need to fulfill the spiritual dimension of life. We need to rediscover poetry, art, music, wonder and mystery, the limitless horizon beyond our universe.